Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to introduce you to a fantastic AI-based tool that will revolutionize the way you create music. The tool is called Beatoven.ai, and it's a powerful platform that enables you to create unique and professional-sounding music in just a few clicks. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced musician, this tool is perfect for anyone looking to create music without any technical expertise. So, let's dive in and explore the Beatoven.ai tool step by step. Beatoven.ai is an AI-based music creation tool that uses machine learning algorithms to generate music based on your preferences. The tool is incredibly easy to use and requires no technical expertise. It's perfect for anyone who wants to create music quickly and easily. The best part is that you don't need to know how to play an instrument or read sheet music. All you need is a computer or smartphone and an internet connection to access the platform. To get started, head over to the Beatoven.ai website and create your account. The process is quick and easy and requires only your name, email address, and a password. Once you have created your account, you'll be taken to the dashboard, where you can start creating your music. The first step is to click on the New Track button to create a new music. Once you click on that, you'll see three pop-up options: track title, duration, and tempo. Don't worry, it's super easy to use. In track title, you can name your music anything you like. The choice is yours. Next up is duration. This is where you can set how long you want your music to be. You can choose from a range of options, from a short and snappy 30 seconds to a longer, more epic 5 minutes or more. Finally, we have tempo. This is where you can set the speed of your music. Do you want your track to be fast and upbeat or slow and mellow? The choice is yours. You can experiment with different tempos until you find the perfect one for your music. Once you are happy with your selections, simply click on the Next button to move on to the next step. It's as easy as that. Now, let's get to the fun part: choosing your genre. Beatoven.ai offers a wide range of genres to choose from, including Indian, pop, ambient, indie, R&B, cinematic, hip-hop, and electronic. So, whether you are a fan of upbeat pop or chilled-out ambient music, you'll find something that suits your taste. Once you have selected your genre, you'll be taken to the next step, where you'll be asked to choose the mood of your music. This is where you can really start to personalize your track and make it your own. Do you want your music to be happy and upbeat, or do you prefer something more melancholic and moody? The choice is yours. So, take some time to explore the different genres on offer and choose the one that resonates with you the most. With Beatoven.ai, you have the freedom to experiment and create something truly unique. Once you have chosen your genre, tempo, and mood, it's time to take your music to the next level with some serious customization. Beatoven.ai offers a wide range of customization options, including tempo, genre, track options, mood, and instruments. This means you have the flexibility to tweak each of these elements to create the perfect sound for your music. First up, let's talk about tempo and genre. Even after you have selected your initial tempo and genre, Beatoven.ai allows you to make changes to them later on. So, if you are not quite happy with your initial selections, don't worry, you can always switch things up later. In addition to tempo and genre, the platform also offers a range of track options. This means you have 4 different options to choose from, allowing you to really tailor your music to your preferences. But that's not all, the mood option allows you to adjust the overall mood of your music. This means you can create something that's happy and upbeat, or something that's more introspective and contemplative. Last but not least, the instruments option allows you to add or remove instruments based on your beat. This means you can experiment with different sounds and create a truly unique sound that's all your own. So, take some time to explore the different customization options available to you on Beatoven.ai. With so many options to choose from, you are sure to find something that perfectly captures the mood and tone of your music. Once you have customized your music to your liking, you can preview it to see how it sounds. Beatoven.ai allows you to listen to your music in real time, so you can make any necessary adjustments. Once you are happy with your music, you can download it in various formats, including MP3 and WAV. The final step is to share your music with the world. Beatoven.ai allows you to share your music on social media, including Facebook and Twitter. You can also share your music on SoundCloud or YouTube to get more exposure. If you enjoy this video, kindly show your appreciation by clicking the like button and subscribe to my channel. Your support will motivate me to continue creating and uploading more videos. Thank you for watching this video.